we went into plan mode many weeks ago when we first saw it break out of China into Italy and so forth, and we realized that we had a problem on the way. And I met with Dr. Rebecca Shadow in our infectious disease early on, and we realized we needed to form a team immediately. So we started planning this a great deal a long time ago. So, and I'm happy to say, I think we've kept up with our surge. We've kept up with it. I'm very happy to say that we are, to this point, the planning has paid off. It's done well.
COVID-19 has created such fear in people that what you're seeing in the emergency room there at the medical center also an internal medicine specialist, people who are having life-threatening sicknesses, illnesses, heart attacks, strokes, are delaying going to the ER for fear that they're going to contract COVID-19.
Yeah, so that is, I have seen so many patients come in and they are just almost to the point of trembling with fear that they're going to catch something. And, and I can understand. And it's really very humbling for somebody to come in with that type of fear. So we have been, trying to reassure them. And then, and like I said before, half of my effort early on was to protect our staff and our patients. Mm-hmm. And to do that, what we did, we actually created an entire different unit in our ER that is a whole different room area. It's blocked off. It's got multiple layers of doors, closures, a whole different circulation system that we created early on. And this is something, if you go through bureaucracy of hospitals, things take a while. And honestly, it would have probably taken months or weeks or months to get this accomplished. But I went to administration with my idea of where we should put our separation of our patients. And literally within 10 days, we had it done. We had contractors here, we had our staff, we had the workforce, and they just did it. I mean, they knew it was important, and it has really been a blessing to us to be able to separate our COVID patients from our non-COVID. So one of the things I want to stress to our public and our other patients is that when you come in with the mightiest of our abilities, we will not put you anywhere near a patient with COVID type symptoms. Of course, I would always never say 0%, but I think it'd be a very small percent you'd be anywhere near anybody that has that. We take strides. Anybody who comes in the emergency room, they extensively questioned. Everybody's had their temperature checked. We mask everybody. I'd have a mask on now, but I'm in a room by myself, so I had my mask when I walked out.
Okay,
so
well, let you slide.
Right here, so.
Okay.
But everybody is masked. Everybody has temperature checked. Everybody is screened. And this includes even the paramedics as they come in with the patient. The patients who come in on a stretchers get screened. Everybody gets screened 24/7. Every entrance, every spot you can come into this hospital, you're screened. So that plus the unit we have for our COVID patients in the emergency room. Now we also have a separate unit in a hospital for our COVID patients as well. And they're a totally different tower than the rest of the hospital. So if you're admitted, you're in a whole different, you're across the street, literally a block away from our COVID patients. So it's, again, to the best of our ability, we have taken great strides to make sure that everyone's safe.
Thank you so much for your time.